Hello and welcome to Investor Web, your reliable source for all things investment. Today we have quite an interesting topic lined up for you. We're here to provide you with the best tips and insights into the world of finance and investments to help you make the most informed decisions possible. We understand that the world of finance can be complex, but don't worry, we're here to simplify it for you. Today's topic is particularly captivating as it's something we've all fantasized about at some point, winning the lottery. Imagine waking up one day to find that you've hit the jackpot. What would you do? How would you handle it? These are questions we often ponder but rarely find definitive answers to. So whether you've won the lottery or just dream about it, this video is for you. Let's dive into the 10 things you should do if you win the lottery. First things first, if you're fortunate enough to win the lottery, don't rush into anything. Sure, it's easy to get swept up in the whirlwind of excitement. The sudden influx of wealth can be intoxicating, but it's crucial to keep a level head. Take a deep breath, step back, and give yourself the necessary time to process this life-altering event. Acting impulsively can lead to rash decisions and potential mishaps. You don't want to squander your newfound wealth on a fleeting whim or a spur-of-the-moment decision. Instead, allow yourself the luxury of time to thoroughly contemplate your next steps. Consider the long-term repercussions of your actions and how they will affect your financial future. Consult with trusted individuals and seek professional advice. This isn't a race. It's the beginning of a new journey, and it's one you'll want to navigate with care and precision. Remember, haste makes waste, so take your time. The next crucial step is to secure your ticket. Treat it like a diamond because, in essence, it's your key to a life-changing fortune. You might consider storing it in a safe deposit box, or at the very least, a fireproof safe at home. Remember, this little piece of paper is now worth more than its weight in gold. It's essential to keep it safe and secure because without it, your claim to the jackpot is null and void. Your ticket is your proof of winning, so guard it with your life. Now that you've secured your ticket, it's time to get professional help. You may be wondering why you'd need a team of professionals when you've just hit the jackpot. The answer is simple. Winning the lottery is much more than just a windfall. It's a financial event that requires careful planning and management. An experienced lawyer can provide invaluable legal guidance, protect your rights, and help you navigate the complexities of wealth. A financial advisor, on the other hand, can help you effectively manage your newfound wealth. They can guide you in making smart investment decisions, ensuring your lottery win lasts for the long haul. Don't forget about the tax implications of a lottery win. This is where an accountant comes in. They can help you understand and manage the tax obligations that come with your windfall. Remember, a team of professionals can help you navigate your newfound wealth. Don't try to go it alone. It's a journey best taken with experts by your side. Moving on, if possible, try to stay anonymous. You see, a sudden inflow of wealth can attract all sorts of attention, and not all of it is welcome. Remaining anonymous can help you avoid unnecessary solicitations, potential scams, and even distant relatives suddenly wanting to reconnect. It's like having an invisibility cloak that guards your newfound fortune. So, if your local laws permit, take the route of secrecy. Remember, with great wealth comes great responsibility. Anonymity can be your shield against unwanted attention. Halfway through our list, and it's time to talk about debts. Yes, you heard it right, debts. No one likes them, yet most of us have them. So when fortune smiles upon you, it's a brilliant idea to put a significant portion of your winnings towards clearing off these pesky obligations. Why, you ask? Well, think about it. Debts are like chains binding you, restricting your financial freedom. They can be a source of stress, keeping you awake at night. But a lottery win? That's your golden ticket to break free. By paying off your debts, you are essentially buying peace of mind. It's not just about the emotional relief, though. From a purely financial perspective, most debts come with interest rates. The longer they exist, the more they cost you. So clear them off, and you'll be saving yourself a pretty penny in the long run. Remember, your win is a chance to start fresh, so clear those debts. Next up, set a budget. It's easy to get carried away with a sudden influx of wealth, isn't it? But remember, even a mountain of gold can dwindle if not managed wisely. That's where a budget comes in. It's your financial compass, guiding you on where to spend, save, or invest. It helps you allot funds for necessities, luxuries, investments, and philanthropy, ensuring you don't exhaust your newfound fortune all at once. A budget will keep you grounded and prevent reckless spending. Now it's time to make your money work for you. The thrill of a lottery win can be overwhelming, but don't let it cloud your judgment. Investing wisely is the key to ensuring that your newfound wealth doesn't just disappear. Consider various investment options. Real estate can provide steady, long-term returns. Stocks, while volatile, can offer significant profits if managed correctly. Bonds, on the other hand, are a safer bet, providing consistent, albeit smaller, returns. And let's not forget about mutual funds, a diversified option which allows you to invest in a broad portfolio of stocks and bonds. This can be a particularly attractive option if you're new to the investment game. Finally, remember that it's crucial to spread your wealth across different investment platforms. This strategy, known as diversification, reduces risk and can help ensure a steady income stream. Remember, wise investments can secure your future. The lottery win is just the beginning. How you handle it will determine your financial future. You might be tempted, but don't quit your job just yet. Why, you ask? Your work offers more than a paycheck. It provides routine, purpose, and a social network, elements that contribute to your overall well-being. Besides, the sudden influx of wealth can be overwhelming. Keeping your job can serve as an anchor in this storm of change, allowing you to adjust at a manageable pace. Remember, your job provides structure and normalcy, something you'll need in this whirlwind of change. Nearing the end of our list, remember to be generous. Winning the lottery is a windfall of fortune that many dream of but few experience. And when you find yourself on the receiving end of such an incredible bounty, it's important to remember to share the wealth. Generosity is not just about giving away money. It's about making a difference, about impacting lives in a meaningful way. You could support causes close to your heart, or fund initiatives that aim to bring about positive change. There's an indescribable joy that comes from knowing that you've made a difference, that you've helped someone in need. Yet being generous doesn't mean you have to donate everything. It's about finding a balance, a middle ground where you can help others without compromising your own financial stability. So consider effective philanthropy. Support charities or causes that resonate with you personally and make contributions that can bring about a significant change. Remember, sharing is caring. It's a simple phrase, but it holds profound truth. When you share your good fortune, you not only enrich the lives of others, but you also enrich your own. Finally, don't forget to enjoy your wealth. After all, what's the point of winning the lottery if you can't bask in your newfound prosperity? It's natural to want to splurge a little, to treat yourself and those you care about to some of life's finer things. Perhaps you've always dreamed of a luxurious holiday. Or maybe there's a classic car you've always had your eye on. These dreams can now become a reality. However, remember to do this within reason. It's easy to get carried away, but you don't want to blow through your winnings in a short span of time. Be prudent, but also allow yourself the joy of indulgence. You've earned this moment after all. So go ahead, live a little. Enjoy the fruits of your good fortune. Life is for living, and now you have the means to live it to the fullest. Remember, you've won the lottery. It's okay to celebrate and enjoy. So there you have it, the 10 things to do if you win the lottery. We've explored everything from the initial shock of winning, with our first point of staying calm and taking time, to the practicalities of securing your ticket and seeking professional help. We've considered the importance of privacy and the potential benefits of staying anonymous, the practical steps of paying off debts and setting a budget, and the long-term strategies of investing wisely. We've also touched on the potential pitfalls of quitting your job prematurely and the importance of generosity. And finally, we've reminded you not to forget the most important part, enjoying your wealth. After all, it's not every day you win the lottery. Thank you for tuning in to InvestorWeb. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. Until next time, keep dreaming and planning.